Hi, and welcome to today's PD in Pieces. I'm Katie. I'm a structured literacy dyslexia specialist, and today we're talking about a specific syllable type called the magic E syllable. These are sometimes called VCE syllable types or silent E syllable types, but today you're going to get to understand what they are, and you'll be able to locate and identify them within words. So here we go. Let's start with a simple definition. So, a magic E syllable is a syllable that follows this pattern at the end. It follows a vowel, consonant, E pattern. Okay, so let's look at a word that has this pattern. You're going to see the word plate. Okay, you might say, well, wait a second. This word has two vowels. I see an A and an E. Yes, there are two vowel letters, but remember, every syllable includes one vowel sound. So, the word plate, you're going to hear the A sound, that long A sound. Okay, and so that is technically the vowel sound that comprises this syllable. Now, in the word plate, we have A, which is a vowel, followed by a consonant, the T, followed by a final silent E. And what's important to know about this, sometimes we call these magic E's or silent E's, the final silent E stays silent, right? But it has a really important job. It makes the vowel say its name. So in magic E syllables, they're going to follow this pattern of vowel, consonant, E, and you're going to hear the first vowel letter make its long sound. It's going to say its name. The E is going to stay silent. That is what a magic E syllable type is. A few magic E syllable quick facts. First, the pattern occurs at the end of syllables. So we teach kids to locate the vowel within the syllable. They're going to see a vowel, a consonant, E, and that's going to be the end of the syllable. Second, sometimes that final E, it's not there. It's dropped because we've added a vowel suffix. So this only happens in multisyllabic words. But for a word like hoping, where we have the base word hope, which is a magic E syllable, followed by the suffix ing, we now have it rewritten as hoping. Where did the E go? Well, we have to teach kids that we've dropped that final E because we added on a vowel suffix. Same thing with the word competed. You're going to see that magic E syllable type in the second syllable of the base word, Pete. Okay, well, that extra E has been dropped when we turn it into a past tense word, right? Competed. So where did that E go? Well, we had to drop it before adding the ED, suffix ED. So it's important to teach kids this just so that they can recognize if the E isn't there, that doesn't necessarily mean that it's not a magic E syllable type, right? The E just may have been dropped. So that's important to teach your students and to know for yourself as well. Let's look at some examples of words that have magic E syllables within them. We're going to start with one syllable words just because those are the easiest. So in the word wipe, grape, prune, you can notice just by looking at these words that they follow a very specific pattern. They follow a vowel, a consonant, and then a final silent E. And the result is that you're going to hear the long vowel sound within each one of these words. So in wipe, you hear the I very clearly. In grape, you hear the A, grape. And in prune, you hear the oo, which is one of two long vowel sounds that the long U can make. Now let's take a look at some multisyllabic words, okay? We have the word became, pavement, and telescope. Let's look at became first. So became, you're going to look at it. You have to break it apart. We have an open syllable first, be. Now we have came, and we see that in this syllable, we have a word that follows that vowel, consonant, E, pattern. And as a result, we know how to accurately read the vowel sound in that syllable because the vowel is going to say its name. Let's look at the word pavement. Now, you might be saying, just before she said that this has to occur at the end. If we have a magic E syllable, it's going to occur at the end. Doesn't mean the end of words, it means the end of syllables. So we have the word pavement, and you're going to see when we break these syllables apart, two syllable word, pavement, you're going to see that at the end of the first syllable, we have a magic E syllable type, right? We have that word that follows or syllable that follows the vowel, consonant, E pattern. As a result, again, we know that that A is going to say its long vowel sound. pavement. And finally, let's look at the next syllable or next word, telescope. Okay, we are going to say tell a scope. We have 3 syllables, and we're going to see at the end of the word the vowel consonant E syllable or the magic E syllable type. Now, you might be saying, well, why is this important? Knowing the syllable types helps us to accurately pronounce the vowel sound within words. So it's super important that you introduce the 6 syllable types to your students, that they're able to identify them so that they're able to accurately read and spell words. Thanks for joining us today, and I hope to see you again soon.